Today we're featuring a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It's got 37,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner, and it is a two-wheel drive. All right, I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and take it down the driver's side here. Everything looks really good. No problems there. It does have the rear park assist, backup camera. All right, and it is a limited. All right, the back of the Jeep there is in great shape. No problems. Go ahead and take it down the passenger side here. Everything looking good there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Door panel's in good shape. Got the nice two-tone, got the black with the brown. Nice wood grain strip here. All right, it is equipped with memory seats. All right, power locks, power windows. All right, tan leather. It is a power driver's seat. All right, just a little bit of wear right there on the seat. All right, it's not ripped or anything, but it's just a little wear. Okay. Everything else looks really good on the driver's seat. All right, passenger seat looks like it's in great shape too. And it is equipped with a sunroof. Go ahead and pan out, let you see that. All right, power sunroof there. It is an automatic, and it is a two-wheel drive. Go ahead and get the key fob out here for you, lay it out. Okay, it does have two keyless fobs, and it is equipped with remote start. Dual climate controls there. All right, nice big touchscreen. I'll go ahead and turn that on for you in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. All right, it does have the paddle shifters as well. There's one, there's one. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it is equipped with navigation. All right, rear camera, backup camera. Go ahead and engage that for you. All right, take you back to the home screen here. Let's see, got controls. We got heated seats, heated steering wheel. All right, and then it's got a button for all your apps here as well. Okay, it is equipped with the push button start. Pan over here, I'll give you a shot of the mileage. 37,252 miles. Okay. It does have universal remote. There's your controls for the sunroof, and it also has a power lift gate as well. Door panels back here in the back in good shape. I'll let you see the leather here. The back, everything looks really good. No problems whatsoever. Been well taken care of. In here, give you a shot, driver's eye view as I like to call it. It's kind of the layout of the vehicle. You see that? All right, and it also is equipped, has a power supply down here, two USB ports, and it has rear heated seats as well. And if you can't see it in that angle, I'll walk around on the other side, get some more light in there and show you. It is equipped with the power lift gate. Nice and smooth coming up there. Carpet back here is in good shape. All right, still got the plastic on it right here. Okay, convenient power outlet there. All right, and there's your power liftgate button. Okay, it's got a sunshade back here, or it can cover up your groceries, shopping bags, whatever. But I'll step to the side here, let you see the depth back here. Okay, lots of room. We'll go ahead and engage the power liftgate. All right. Nice and smooth coming down. No problems there. And once again, it does have the rear park assist as well. Give you a shot of that. Let me go ahead and see if I can't get you a better angle of these rear heated seats. There we go. All right, you can see them there. All right, once again, everything in the back seat back here is in great shape. Carpet doesn't have a stain on it. Everything looks really good. Go ahead. Give you a shot of the passenger seat here. Okay, leather's in great shape. Door panel looks good too. Go ahead and let you take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, it's got 18-inch alloys on here. Alright, Michelin tires. They're still in good shape. Good amount of depth right there in the tread. Okay. Once again, guys, it's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got a clean CARFAX. It's a one-owner. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.